everyone, and welcome to another edition of Noisemaker. Here we cut through the noise to highlight hidden gems in the stock market. I'm Sejal Agrawal, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory, and in today's episode, we'll be diving into three companies making moves that could shape their future. As always, this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any kind. So today's lineup includes Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, Quality Pharmaceuticals Limited, and EMS Limited. First company, which is Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, builds world-class financial solutions for corporates, SMEs, and startups through automated and innovative workflows. The company recently acquired 45.3% of Ifiasoft for rupees 36.7 crores with an option to acquire an additional 5.6% stake, taking its total control to 51%. Financially, Q3 FY25 revenue stood at rupees 340.3 crores, marking a 10.3% quarter-on-quarter growth with EBITDA margins at 8.6%. The company is targeting long-term EBITDA margins of 15 to 16% over the next 4 years through cost optimization and is evaluating 5 acquisition targets in spend management and payment tech. Second company is Quality Pharmaceuticals Limited, which is a pharmaceutical manufacturer established in 1983, producing and exporting various pharmaceutical products including liquids, tablets, capsules, injectables, and ointments. The company saw a sharp rise in delivery volume, increasing from previous day 39.94% to 62.98% on March 27. Financially, Q3 FY25 revenue was rupees 85.1 crores, marking 8.1% year-on-year and EBITDA margins at 20.7%. Quality aims to achieve rupees 500 crore sales by FY26 with a target to sustain EBITDA margins between 22% to 25%. The company is also developing 2 biologics molecules expected to complete product development by FY25 and clinical trials by FY26. Lastly, EMS Limited is a multidisciplinary EPC company specializing in water and wastewater collection, treatment, and disposal services. The company acquired 60% stake in Brij Bihari Pulp and Paper Private Limited for rupees 7.75 crores, enhancing its waste management segment, which accounted for 70% of the business as of November 24. Financially, Q3 FY25 revenue reached rupees 247.9 crores, marking 5.3% quarter-on-quarter growth with impressive EBITDA margins of 34%, up by 470 basis points. EMS expects revenue of rupees 900 to 1000 crore by FY25, supported by an unexecuted order book of more than rupees 2,500 crores. Now, summary of today's recent filings include Zaggle Prepaid Ocean Services Limited, which acquired 45.33% stake in Ifiasoft, expanding fintech solutions and merchant network. Quality Pharmaceuticals Limited, which saw a sharp rise in delivery volume, increasing from previous day 39.94% to 62.98% on March 27. EMS Limited, which acquired stake in Brij Bihari Pulp and Paper, strengthening waste management segment with rupees 2500 crore order book. So that's a wrap for today's Noisemaker. For more details, check out full report in the description. Stay ahead and stay informed.